Who's to blame? Me, 100%, 150%. Did this by myself, no pre-planning, nothing. I didn't hack at it. I, did my best that I could that I knew. So I'm to blame. I screwed up my own car. Hey everyone, so I'll be showing you how to install like a BM spec spoiler. The way this thing goes on is it goes on like this, and then you drill it in and it looks really nice. I'm not gonna go through the whole entire install. Oops. I'm just going to go over the steps. So first step is you buy 3M tape. Bought this at Walmart, like $4.83. I bought 2 rolls just to be safe. And you grab a razor blade and you cut down the middle of it. So you split it halfway and then you apply it. You don't have to have a continuous seam. You can tape it together. Like I have 1 section here, 2, 3, as many as you need. And then you'll just take it off and you'll be ready. Now you can see that it's sticking up above the edges. So this is just the fitment process. I have not trimmed it down yet. But before I install it, I will trim this all down so it looks neat and flush. But I'm just free-fitting it, so that doesn't matter at this point. I have marked all the holes. Now comes the scary bit. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that that nothing I ever do goes the way it should. So I either drilled wrong or I don't know. But there's a gap. You can see half a finger gap. There's a gap in the spoiler. No amount of thick 3M tape is gonna help with that. This side's still taped down. So, we're gonna do the thing I always do to fix issues like this. Adjustable holes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take a big drill bit and I'm gonna drill up. It's not gonna sit flush anymore with that, but it will sit flush on the trunk lid. And this 3M stuff's not gonna work out with me. I already know that, so if it scratches, it scratches at this point. So that's the next step to fix this. Otherwise, I got 4 new holes in the trunk and I don't know what to do about it. So let's get on to it. So after drilling all these holes, I put 4 more strips of 3M tape, and then I'm gonna heat the thing up until hopefully it smokes or something, the 3M tape, and then screw it in and call it a day, because it's been 2.5 hours in the making, and I still messed up, so. Pretty upset actually. Nothing like I wanted or expected. The drilling holes in the deck, can't fix that. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes, and I played the stupidest.